My name is Diego Ravillone. I'm the Artistic Director for Bellus Professional, and we're here today with our signature mentor team shooting our Decon collection at the Bellus Studio in Calabasas. The Decon collection is inspired by the idea of taking a classic element and reinventing it, taking something and deconstructing it to its very core and then reassembling it with creative application. This concept enables the artist to look at something that inspires them from a classic element and put their own personal inspiration behind it. We have Eric Allen, who's a phenomenal makeup artist here at the Bellus Studio. We have Rick Villa doing our wardrobe and as a stylist really incorporating the elements of Decon. The Bellus team that's here working on this project is myself, Manny San Martin, Matthew Holm, Dorothy Reitzman, and Adrian De La Parra. Shooting the Decon collection is a young, talented photographer by the name of Amelia who comes to us from San Diego.